Welcome back. Not every finish lasts the way we hope. This varnish failed because it wasn't compatible with the stain beneath it, and over time the beauty faded. In this video I'm restoring what was lost, carefully removing the damaged layers all the way back to the natural wood, giving it a second chance to shine again. Blew a circuit. Well, I gave the heat gun a shot, and let's just say it didn't exactly speed things up. After a few passes, I realized scraping by hand was actually getting me further, faster, so out went the heat gun and in came the elbow grease.
Fudge! Where? Keep blowing a damn fuse. So I went and unplugged his AC unit because it was affecting my heat gun.
That squeal you hear? Yep, that's the scraper tattling on me. I've got the wrong angle. It's funny how the tools will talk to you if you listen. A smooth, steady scrape has a softer sound. This one's a little reminder that I need to ease up and adjust my hand.
All of that to do. I'm not going to keep recording, but it's a lot. And it's a hot mess.
Show you.
Yeah, we have complete failure on brand new wood. Fudge it, man. Keeps flipping off the damn screw cap. Every single one of them. Thought the thing went over the side. Comes off pretty easy.
Removing that failed varnish took time, more time than I expected. Every inch had to be scraped back, layer by layer, until the old finish finally gave way. It's slow work, but that's part of the process. The wood deserves patience, and the result is worth every hour spent.
one did. I see lots of removing tape in my near future.
After 2 finish failures, plain and simple, it happens. But how nice is it to see that Caprail glowing again and looking proud. Thank you for following along, and we'll see you in the next video.